I go, my mom says, here, I'll grab your jacket.
Badass.
I go to pick it up. There's 2 water bottles in the pocket. There's tissues.
Only some though.
I was like, you know the purpose is to get kills, right?
Start of the trip.
Kill.
Word.
It's not focused.
Wait.
It's when I speed chug things, I just... I'm not speed chugging this anymore. That's...
It's just dark.
Don't look at me because I don't want fuzzy stuff.
So... I'm never speed chugging again.
I was looking at Apple forums and there was a comment from IZZZSY.
No, that's not how you spell Izzy.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah,
I'm...
see? You can see it's not.
Bro, imagine your brow looks so...
It looks... Turn the, what's the ISO on?
Turn the saturation down.
Oh, I know.
Wait.
Kirk, you
Are
know
you
my
gonna turn
gloves?
the other way? Yeah.
What'd you say? Yeah, no, I have 2 pairs of gloves.
Fizz up, dude.
What's up, dude? It's right now.
What's up?
Polio
Not
here.
mine, you know, round trip adult here.
That's how we do it out here. Whoa. Hey, what's up? How are you guys doing? My name is Isaiah. I'm going to be with you guys on this trip today. That's Harris. Oh, hold on. It's Paulie right here. What's up, Paul?
I fucked up the fizz then.
Yep, links in the description, always. Come on, bro.
Go sit on the bench outside and get that.
Oh, that actually would be cool if like someone was sitting there.
Go sit out there? Go sit out there?
No, I think that's a good view anyways. Yeah. Someone could go out there and sit.
You want to go sit out there?
Yeah, go out there.
No, go with the camera out there.
No, just go out there.
Put those on.
Dude,
They're like,
I want to watch them
Or
struggle.
take it through the room.
I want to watch them struggle.
just pull it down.
Get the tripod.
It looks like a shark.
Sound like a rabid beast. Sound like a rabid beast.
So which one's the train station? Alright, this one's the New York, right? This one's
Yeah.
Edison.
No. Edison, one way. It doesn't matter.
Oh no, it's
He'll
New York,
take the
one
right
way
one.
to Edison. This one is Edison, one way to New York. So I think this is the right one.
Dude, it's sponsor time.
Sponsor time? You gotta put it in front of the shop.
Ready, and then he's gonna slow it down right now. Keep eating the burrito.
Burritos. When you go to New York, your best source of fiber.
You ever see Rice Gums vlog? How he just cuts a whole bunch?
Dude, I'm upside down right now. Okay.
Is your mic on?
I can't do anything with these. I can't do anything with these gloves.
Yeah, just put on 30 below degrees gloves. We're waiting. What time is our train?
That's a pain.
What time is our train?
I think it's at 11:34.
Yeah, we have. Here, show the screen.
Here. Your screen is off.
Just tap it.
Mommy.
Tommy.
Tommy. Oh, I read it through the screen. Okay.
Anything might say mommy if I'm saw those.
Oh.
Pretty dope.
Someplace that sells cassettes.
Dave Nash. You should have kept it in the middle.
Yeah, I wish I had 4 CDs on the table.
Where?
Oh, we moved in.
We're already
The
going.
guys down there have the porch here?
Yeah.
I'm going look for one. Yeah, but there's one. Paul, can you look down the hallway to see if there's one down there? Or one right below? That was like that.
Yeah, we're. Dude, I almost got my lens cap.
This is dope.
I got mad space. Wall checks for everything.
Is it open? There's a four-seater there.
Like we sit there, listen to the conversation. What's the seat wet, Sean?
Ew, Sean.
Anybody want a Pop-Tart?
I got 5. You grabbed all of the chocolate
Thank you.
Pop-Tarts. You are not leaving with those. I'm looking at you. I don't know which one's the right one because we got round.
This one.
He brought some kids up there.
Dude, how far are they? There you go.
Just looking for a big tall buffoon.
Twister board. We're in New York. Come on.
Everybody has their phone charged.
Yeah.
I don't have a phone, but I have a Walkman with charge.
Sean's getting lost.
Sean is gonna get lost.
I say we do the buddy system. Everybody link up arms.
Sean, your buddy is gonna be in your backpack. All right.
Well, Matt won't let me lose his backpack because that's full right in there.
Oh, this is so dope.
Yo, what's up?
Oh shit! Why are the ceilings so low?
11?
Why are the ceilings so low?
Because it's.
Attention please.
What?
Northeast Regional Landmark 64.
Oh.
I get you.
So where are we going first?
Outside.
Outside? Thanks.
We're gonna go eat.
Thanks. Outside. Yeah.
Oh, why are we in New York? Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, this is my closet, okay? Look, got that big old mirror right there. This is my homie Trent right here. What's up? Yo, how you doing, bro?
Trent from North Carolina.
From Minnesota.
Damn, he lives hella far.
Yeah, bro. Dude, you like my closet?
Yeah,
This
dude.
is
Yo, look
awesome.
at all your clothes. Yo, why do you have so many pairs of the same jeans, man?
Just in case somebody wants some, I just give it to them, you know?
400 different pairs.
Dude, you had the same pair of white shoes.
I have egg
Bro,
white.
so I have one for every day of the year. Come on.
Ice. Isaiah, these thick concrete walls, is that what your internet shit?
Wait, what?
Oh, dude, you got Daffy Duck on a shirt? No, is that Daffy Duck? Yes.
Right there, the little Santa one.
Yeah, I like it.
My favorite, dude. I only wear these when it's really cold out. These are really good for the cold. And then these are for when the girls come over. Oh my god, they love the Tigers. They love them. These are for the chill days.
Dude, these got hot dogs on them.
Bro, you know why? Because the girls want the hot dog. We got all these sleeping shirts over here.
Bro, I say we go show them the shoes, the clean shoes.
Oh yeah, let's go
Bro,
show them
let's go. Oh, you gotta show them the Yeezys.
Nice little mirror too.
A word?
Look at that, nice and solid.
Solid. No, dude, where are the Yeezys at?
Bro, these are on their way. They're on their way.
Dude.
My brand new Yeezys.
Oh.
I wear them every day of the year. They're amazing.
Oh,
And they even have the cool inside.
oh, look at the zig. Dude,
Best shoes in the world.
Fire.
Must cop.
word, must have.
I'm a freaking beast. Should I jump there?
Should you?
It's too late now, dude.
Crazy.
Well,
Dude. Paulie, where are we?
New York, Isaiah.
Sephora, you know how expensive that store is?
We gotta find a cop after.
Why?
Girlfriend for that one. Oh, God, man, you go there today, go one.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Bob bought a fedora at H&M.
What's up, baby?
Dude, it's Elsa.
That's a problem.
Fuck.
How do you get that mixed up?
I don't know.
It's the main character. It's like Sean.
All
What if I slide? Yo, Kirk will get me.
Dude, grind it. Grind it. Oh.
Fun, dude.
Where? Oh.
That's the tiniest ball I've ever seen. I thought it was way big.
Down there.
Where? We were just like right
there.
Yeah, right there, dude. Swear to God. Nah, dude. Oh. That's cool. Let's definitely take a Polaroid here. Let's take a Polaroid here. Polaroid. The picture we took before. You remember the one we took on the train? The picture we took on the train.
We just walked from Midtown down here.
Oh yeah, this is how Cloverfield ended too. That's a bridge they were under. But that guy wouldn't shut up about God.
For park to now we're in the Museum of Modern Art History, something like that. It's cold as hell. The man's over here just got an Uber. Waiting for him to come.
Fedora, baby. It tries everyone.
You got a fedora?
Are you ready to get the vlog, dude?
Dude, I'm part of this vlog life now, right? I'm a vlogger. It's not focus. Alright, so we're about to take an Uber all the way to this restaurant that Paul's dad picked us up. Yeah. This thing's pretty loud, but I'll catch you guys when we're there. Peace.
I almost got robbed at the Top Gun store. I'm pretty sure they stole like maybe $5 or $20.
Did they?
I'm pretty sure. Herc said they didn't. I didn't see him do anything. But the way he slapped his hand like that, I've seen that when people steal money in movies. I counted. At least I had the majority of money. I definitely had 120. Yo, Herc, how you feel?
What?
How you feel?
Great, dude.
No, it's a bigger one. Sean, how you feel? How you feeling today? How was our trip?
Pretty dope. Pretty dope.
I'm gonna get. Who are you? No, I don't want to go with you.
Touch my
Do you think I should get these guns or an Iron Maiden?
This exact same shirt at Walmart is only $5.
Yeah, I know. But hey, it's ripped up like that too. I don't know if I like it. Wow, look at those doors. Really dope. Madison Square Garden. We just have to get to Madison Square Garden.
Bro, can we just like fly there?
I'm up here.
I missed on purpose.
You done? Alright, we're on the train. Almost just fucking made it.
Crazy. We ran all the way here.
From like 3 blocks over. Full sprint.
We're like all sweating right now.
This dickhead got the wrong freaking ticket too. This dickhead got the wrong ticket too.
Yeah, we got it right one.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you liked it, subscribe, like, comment, any type of feedback. All their Twitches and YouTubes and stuff will be in the description. Peep everything. Much love.
Peace out.